recipe later. It's actually, instead of eating rice with sushi, it's made with lettuce, and it's a wrap with rice paper. So the prank was is that actually this is not a car key. This is actually a remote for a Bluetooth selfie monopod that Becky's been wanting to use for a long time for herself. So now I will instruct her how to use it. So first, this is her phone. You can use any type of phone you want. And then you click onto settings. You go to Bluetooth. And make sure you also turn this on, which there is a blue light right now. So you turn it on. And you look for AV shutter. Then you press it, then you connect, like that. And the next step is we'll get the selfie monopod.
Is that short or long?
This is going to be long. Okay, we'll stick her phone here first. And then we'll go to her camera. We'll expand it, and then we're going to reverse it, because right now it's facing a different way.
There's
This there.
You can reverse that. There.
Okay, so what you're going to do, no, I'll do it first,
Okay.
because I'm going to let you do it on your own. So I'll be smiling. There, took my picture. Now, I'm going to go from the beginning. I will turn it off, and let Becky do it on her own.
Let's see, guys, if I can do this. Okay, so shall we? There's signal already approved. Grabe siya sa akin.
So
What I need to do is to...
no. You need to turn this on first. There's a switch here to turn it on.
Okay.
And then now you're going to press this.
The one on top?
This in the bottom. This one is for Apple, so you're going to press on this for Android.
I see, so it's
Yeah, press that.
here.
Yes. Okay.
And
So
then
there's light already. You go. Where are you gonna go to?
settings.
Yes. Go to settings.
And then, excuse me, Bluetooth.
Yes.
And then you turn it
Power on.
on. And then shutter tree. And then,
AV shutter green. Click on it.
so I click on this.
Yes.
Okay. So connecting.
Yeah,
Connected.
Connected. And then this is what you do. You turn this knob like this, and then it goes up like that.
Okay.
And now you're going to stick your phone inside.
Okay. Can I move away from this page?
Yes.
And then turn on the camera.
Till later. You'll look at this here.
Select key. But turn on.
Put this here. Oh, you don't need to go this way.
Okay. So I need to
Put your phone here.
Okay. So does it have
It's
an
ex-
adjust?
Yes, it's expandable. That's why any size of your phone can fit there.
So hold on. Allow me to.
Yes.
There. Ay po. Sorry.
Yeah.
Ayan na. I have to pull the. What do? I have to
This
pull
is
the
easier.
this.
Camera phone. Do you like this?
Ah, pag ganun.
Yeah.
Okay.
That. Okay, so now let you do it. So you will practice. There's a hand-me-down Bluetooth monopod for Becky. It's great. There, she's gonna get injured on her own. Carmina's not doing anything.
Awa-awa si Betty dito sa monopod na to. So you need to pull it down and then insert, right?
Yes. Let it expand.
And pull it this. Chair. So it expands.
Yes.
Okay.
And now you click, what do you click next?
How do you adjust it? I mean,
Right? Because it's on the, it's hitting your volume on the
no.
setting. Okay. Now what do you click?
Camera.
Yes, go to camera. And then what you're gonna do, you're going to make a selfie, right? So hold on to that,
And ito, guys, pink.
and then here's your remote.
And then you just press.
Smile!
God, my headache is... Ay, my headache. Oy, bigla ako nagkasungay. Now. Tama ba?
Yes, oh see? Then you can stand up too.
Later, I'll do it at home.
And then you can do it like this too. There. Like if you want it straight.
So it's always this one that I have to
Yes.
click on to.
Yeah, you need to do that to connect it to the selfie monopod.
Okay, so how far can this one work?
Test herself while standing now.
So what do? When they take a picture, they do it like this and then pose.
Yes.
Yes! Guys, natuto na yung aking mga kaibigan mo.
So you're gonna send me the picture, right?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Mag-picture ulit mag-isa. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, I got
So
it.
how do you turn it off now? How do you unassemble everything?
So what I do is to get out from the camera. Oi! Okay, and then you go to settings again, tama?
Yes.
No, you turn this one off somewhere here. There, it's off already. So you go back to your camera. No. You go to settings and then tama ba? Bluetooth. You go to Bluetooth and then you turn it off.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. And then we're off.
Yes. So now do you know how to remove your phone from the monopod?
Well, I have to practice. I know how to. You just need to pull this one thing down. The problem is, I'm getting clumsy. So there are times that I cannot pull it out.
I think you should sit down.
Yeah.
Don't drop your phone.
Oh, I'm just trying to see if I can remove it like this. Tapos lumipad yung telepono. Woo! There. But I had to force it while what you do is that it's very easy for you to take it off and then put it on.
Because-
I need to practice, more practice.
Do you know how many years I've been doing that?
How many? 3? No. I ingay.
Ever since it was invented.
Really?
Yes.
Sorry, 20. Well, I just got my Android like 2015.
2015?
Yeah, 2015 only. And then, Android I have monologue phones, yung basta text and call lang.
Yes.
Not this leading thing. That's the thing, that's the phone that I have. But then when I had konting budget, then I went to Smart and bought this. That was only when 2015.
So now you have something to practice at home.
Yes,
when
and
you
I
get
would be
bored.
So preoccupied with this. So you just
Put
push,
it down,
push,
and then you twist the top part.
How do you twist?